Imagine waking up each morning feeling stronger, more energized, and confident in your ability to move through life with ease. What if I told you that the key to regaining strength and reversing muscle loss doesn't require expensive supplements or intense workout regimens? It lies in a simple, inexpensive food that is likely already sitting in your kitchen. Today, we are uncovering the secret to ending sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss, once and for all. This might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. As we age, one of the most significant changes we face is muscle loss. Sarcopenia, the gradual decline in muscle mass and strength, is a natural part of the aging process. But it doesn't have to be inevitable. In fact, it can be slowed and even reversed with a strategic approach to food, exercise, and lifestyle. If you're over 60, you might feel that no matter how much you walk, drink bone broth, or eat lean meats, your strength still seems to dwindle year after year. You may avoid climbing stairs, feel the need to grip the armrest to stand up, or even notice that you're losing your balance more often. It's frustrating, and it can feel unfair, especially when you're doing everything right. However, there's a profound discovery that has shaken up everything we thought we knew about muscle loss after 60. Researchers in Tokyo have spent over a decade studying why aging muscles seem to ignore the usual advice about protein and exercise. What they found may surprise you. Sarcopenia isn't just about eating too little protein or skipping exercise. There's something deeper going on. In this video, I'm going to reveal a simple, inexpensive food that can help stop muscle loss from getting worse and even start rebuilding your strength faster than you ever thought possible. Now, before we dive into this powerful food, let's do a quick check. Take a moment to sit on a firm chair with your feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms if you can, or hold the chair if you need to. Now try standing up once and sitting back down. Did it feel harder than it should? If so, you're not alone. Many older adults experience this, and it's often a sign that muscle loss is impacting your independence. But don't worry, this is exactly what we're going to address today, with a simple, powerful change to your diet that can begin to reverse this cycle. You see, for many older adults, muscle loss isn't just about skipping a workout or not eating enough protein. Something else happens to our muscles as we age. After 60, many people develop what's called anabolic resistance, which means that your muscles don't respond to the usual signals as effectively as they once did. You can eat all the protein you want, but your muscles may not rebuild the way they did when you were younger. This is why so many people do the right things. They walk, they drink bone broth, they eat well, and yet their muscles still feel weaker over time. So what's the solution? It's not just about eating more. It's about sending a clearer signal to your muscles to rebuild. And that's where food plays a crucial role. In fact, research has shown that certain foods, some of which are probably already in your kitchen, can help your muscles respond better to strength signals, even as you age. Studies have found that seniors between 60 and 85 who added a few key foods to their diet saw a significant reduction in the rate of muscle loss, compared to those who followed traditional advice. And the best part? These foods are natural, easy to incorporate into your diet, and surprisingly effective. Let's begin with the top 5 foods that support muscle rebuilding after 60. The first one is salmon. While it's a great source of protein, what sets salmon apart is its richness in omega-3 fats. Omega-3s are known for their ability to reduce low-grade inflammation that can quietly break down muscle over time. Some studies have even shown that omega-3s help older muscles respond better to strength signals, especially when combined with basic resistance work. If you don't eat fish, you can talk to your healthcare provider about omega-3 supplements that suit you. Aim for salmon or sardines about 2 times a week, and you'll start to see noticeable benefits. Next up is Greek yogurt, an incredibly easy and effective way to nourish your muscles while you sleep. Greek yogurt is packed with slow-digesting protein, which helps maintain a steady stream of amino acids throughout the night when your body is repairing itself. A small bowl of plain Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of seeds or berries can go a long way in helping your muscles recover as you rest. Make this a nighttime habit, and you'll be supporting muscle regeneration while you sleep. The third food on our list is chickpeas. This humble legume is a powerhouse of plant-based protein and is rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle function. Magnesium helps your muscles contract smoothly, and many older adults are deficient in it. Chickpeas are easy to incorporate into soups, salads, or even hummus, and they're an excellent choice for muscle repair. If you have sensitive digestion, start with smaller portions and gradually increase as your body gets used to them. Our fourth food is spinach, a leafy green that packs a surprising punch. Spinach contains natural nitrates, which help your muscles use oxygen more efficiently. This means you'll feel less fatigued and more energized when you move. Whether you add spinach to your eggs, blend it into a smoothie, or toss it into a salad, don't treat it like a garnish. Make spinach a regular part of your diet, and your muscles will thank you for it. Now for the big reveal, the number one food that can help end sarcopenia fast and rebuild strength: eggs. Eggs are often referred to as a complete protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids. But the real magic lies in leucine, an amino acid found in eggs that sends a strong signal to your muscles to start rebuilding. This signal becomes especially important after 60, when your muscles no longer respond as strongly as they once did. But there's a catch. Eggs only work their magic when you eat them the right way. Here's how to get the most benefit from eggs. First, don't treat them as an afterthought. Make them the star of your meal. 2 eggs is a great starting point, and you can pair them with a vegetable like spinach or a small serving of whole grains to boost their effectiveness. Timing matters too. If mornings are when you move the most, a simple egg breakfast can send a clear muscle-building signal for the day ahead. If you do strength exercises later, having eggs earlier in the day can still support muscle rebuilding. The key is consistency. Make eggs a part of your daily routine, and your muscles will begin to rebuild stronger than ever. But here's where most people go wrong. They eat the right foods, but they don't eat them at the right time. Many people wait until the end of the day to eat a large protein meal, but your muscles need to be signaled throughout the day. To make sure you're getting the full benefit, spread your protein intake throughout the day, starting with a solid breakfast. And while protein powders can be useful, they should never replace whole foods. Whole foods are far more effective at supporting muscle repair and rebuilding because they come with a range of nutrients that powders simply can't provide. To make it even easier for you to implement this, here's a simple 7-day plan to follow. Day 1 and 2. Start your day with eggs. 2 eggs, paired with a vegetable like spinach or a small whole grain, is a great way to kickstart your muscle-building process. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Day 3 and 4. Add Greek yogurt in the evening to provide steady protein overnight. Just a small bowl of plain yogurt is enough to help your muscles repair while you sleep. Day 5. Incorporate a small set of simple chair stands. Sit down in a firm chair and try standing up and sitting back down 5 times slowly. This movement will help activate your muscles and start strengthening them. Day 6. Add chickpeas to your meal. Whether in a soup, salad, or hummus, chickpeas are an easy way to boost your magnesium levels and support muscle function. Day 7. Add fish like salmon or sardines to one of your meals. If you don't eat fish, focus on the other foods you've incorporated throughout the week and continue building a routine. After a week, repeat the chair test and see how much easier it feels to stand up and sit down. With these simple changes to your diet and routine, you'll notice that your muscles feel more supported, your balance improves, and you regain your confidence in movement. Remember, the key to overcoming sarcopenia is consistency. By incorporating these foods into your daily routine, you're sending a clear signal to your muscles to rebuild, and in turn, you'll stay stronger, healthier, and more independent for years to come. If you're ready to take charge of your health and stop sarcopenia in its tracks, hit the subscribe button and join our community at the Seniors Hub. Share your experiences with us in the comments, and don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Together, let's build stronger, healthier lives, one meal at a time.